We have already studied how to solve the quadratic equation by factorization method and using quadratic formula. In today's video, we will do some of the problems and solve the problem by using quadratic formula. So the first question is, the sum of reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So we can take the present age of Rahman as x. 3 years ago means x minus 3 and 5 years from now means age of Rahman will be x plus 5. So let the present age of Rahman be x. 3 years ago Rahman's age will be x minus 3 and 5 years from now Rahman's age is x plus 5. Now we need to frame the quadratic equation. They have given sum of reciprocal of, sum means plus sign, sum of reciprocal of Rahman's age 3 years ago. Reciprocal means we have to take 1 by x minus 3 and 1 by x plus 5 equal to 1 by 3. This is given as 1 by 3. So sum of reciprocal of Rahman's age is equal to 1 by 3. 3 years ago and 5 years from now. Now we will solve this. We will frame the quadratic equation. Then we will solve this using quadratic formula. Now we need to take the LCM. X minus 3 and x plus 5 is the LCM. So numerator we need to multiply x plus 5 plus x minus 3 equal to 1 by 3. Now we will simplify the numerator first. X plus x is 2x. 5 minus 3 is 2. Again denominator will be x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 equal to 1 by 3. So numerator is 2x plus 2 divided by x square plus 2x minus 15 equal to 1 by 3. Now we will cross multiply this. So when you cross multiply, we will get 6x plus 6 because 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 2x is 6x and 3 into 2 is 6 equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. Now we will bring everything to one side. X square plus 2x minus 6x minus 15 minus 6 equal to 0. So which is equal to x square minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. Now we can solve this using the formula method. So this is in the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So where a is 1, b is minus 4, a is 1, b is minus 4 and c is minus 21. So we can write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, which is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 21 divided by 2 into 1, which is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16. Minus into minus is plus and 21 into 4 is 84 divided by 2. So this when you simplify 4 plus or minus, we can write square root of 16 plus 84, it is 100. So 100 divided by 2. So 4 plus or minus 100 divided by 2, square root of 100 is 10 by 2. We can write like this, split it into 2, 4 plus 10 divide by 2, 4 minus 10 divide by 2, 14 by 2 is 7, and 4 minus 10 is minus 6 by 2 is minus 3. And we know age cannot be negative, so this value is rejected. So present age of Rahman is 7 years. We can say present age of Rahman is 7 years. Now next question, in a class test, the sum of Shefali's mark in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. So we can take the marks she got in maths be x. Then what will be the marks she secured in English will be 30 minus x, because the total sum of marks in mathematics and English is 30. So let the marks scored by Shefali in mathematics is x, and in English it will be 30 minus x. Now had she got 2 marks more in mathematics. So mathematics now she got x. She got 2 marks more means x plus 2, and 3 marks less in English. 3 marks less in English means now she has got 30 minus x. From this we need to subtract 3. Then the product of their marks, product means x plus 2 into 30 minus x minus 3 is 210. This we can simplify. X plus 2, 30 minus 3 is 27 minus x equal to 210. When you open the bracket, 27x minus x square plus 27 into 2 is 54 minus 2x equal to 210. We need to simplify this. So this, when you simplify, 27x minus 2x is 25x minus x square plus 54 minus 210 is minus 156 equal to 0. We can write in standard form. Take everything to the other side. So it is x square minus 25x plus 156 equal to 0. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is 1, b is minus 25 and c is 156. Now write the formula x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, which is equal to minus 25, already minus sign is there, plus or minus 25 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into 156 divided by 2. We will simplify this. So we have 25 plus or minus square root of 625 minus 624 divided by 2, which is equal to square root of 1 divided by 2. So square root of 1 is 1 only. 25 plus 1 divided by 2, 26 by 2, which is equal to 13, and 25 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 24 by 2 is equal to 12. So if she got in maths 12 marks, then in English the marks will be 30 minus 12, that is 18. So if she got 13 marks in maths, then English it will be 30 minus 13, that is it will be 17. And if she has got 12 marks in maths, then English 30 minus 12, which is 18. So two possible cases are there. Now the next question, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. Let the shorter side be x. Now diagonal of the rectangular field is 60 meter more than shorter side. That means 60 plus x. And longer side is 30 meter more than shorter side. Longer side is 30 meter, more means 30 plus x. Now this will form a right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, I can write the relation. We can name this rectangle as ABCD. So AC is the hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, I can write the relation AC square. Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. So it is x square plus 30 plus x the whole square. Or we can write the relation AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AC square we can substitute 60 plus x the whole square. AB square is x square. BC square is 30 plus x the whole square. Now we will open the bracket. This is in the form of identity a plus b the whole square, and we know that a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So when you open, we have 3600 plus 60 into 2 is 120x plus x square equal to x square plus, again this is also in the form of a plus b the whole square. Can write 900 plus 60x plus x square. Now 1x square we can cancel. Bring everything to the right side. The right side we have x square plus 60x plus 900 minus 120x minus 3600 equal to 0. So when you simplify this, we'll get x square minus 60x and minus 120x is minus 60x minus 2700 equal to 0. This is in the form of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is 1, b is minus 60 and c is minus 2700. Now we substitute in the formula x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So which is equal to minus b means minus 60 plus or minus 60 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 2700 divided by 2. So this we can simplify as equal to 60 plus or minus square root of 3600 minus into minus is plus, 27 into 4 is 108, 2 zeros are there, divided by 2, which is equal to 60 plus or minus square root of, when you add this you will have 14,400 divide by 2, take the square root, it is 144, square root is 12, 2 zeros are there, so you need to put 1 0, split this into 2, 60 plus 120 divided by 2 and 60 minus 120 divided by 2, so this is 180 divided by 2, which is equal to 90, and this is minus 60 divided by 2 equal to minus 30. Length cannot be negative, so this value is rejected. So the shorter side is 90. Shorter side is 90 and the longer side will be 90 plus x, that is 120. So the sides of the field are 90 and 120. Thanks for watching my video.